What is Kuya making?
I'm making a model of a plant cell. You see there?
That one.
And I'm putting chocolate chips for the ribosomes. This is the mitochondrion, the central vacuole, the nucleus, the nucleolus, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, it's stuck together, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it goes everywhere, you see these ones, the lysosomes, the orange things.
Lysosome? That one?
Yeah, these ones. The Golgi bodies, it's that big weird
Green?
thing.
It should be gold.
No, it's Golgi bodies.
Oh,
See?
okay.
This is the chloroplast. It's not that good. Cell membrane is the orange thing around it.
Okay.
And cell wall is it.
It's really science.
I feel that only red.
Careful of that knife.
I am. Don't worry. Mom.
Did you have fun?
Mom. Yep.
I know you're enjoying it.
This is a big oatmeal cookie. It's
Wow. It's nutritious. Wow. And Abby has another project. Wow. I love
You're doing video? I thought you were doing picture.
What's that one?
I'm Abigail.
Yeah, what are you making, What is that?
Well, I think I'm done making it. I might add a little bit more stuff.
Can I see your face? Wow, so I'll take a picture of that.
The E was kind of messed up.
Where?
E.
Yeah, but it's understood. It's love. I think the E is kinda upside down.
And it's just like, I started off here so you went down. And then I tried to add a little bit, but didn't really work
How
out.
about a smile for mommy? Wow. My kids, they are really
Creative?
bakers. Good baker. Making delicious food. Oh,
Actually,
that
Dad-
is a...
Dad made the hearts. Dad made the thing and we were putting the icing on.
And this is... Huh.
It's supposed to be a heart, but Abby put it on before it, so it melted. It's supposed to be a flower. I mean, a flower. Abby put it on while it was still hot, and so it melted.
Okay. You're so creative, huh? And that is mommy's flowers for
Those aren't
her
sprinkles.
birthday. And look at the mess. The mess. And my kids are baking. Expect a lot of dishes to wash. And this is the cookbook. I know. You are mommy's big help. What is that, Abigail? What is that, Abby?
I'm putting chocolate chips on the side.
Oh, okay.
So